Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to generate a chocolate bar mockup in Photoshop. Let's begin. Already have my logo, so with my move tool I'm going to take it to this background. Okay, and I'm going to wait there. Then here, with the quick selection tool, I'm going to select the whole area. One more time, I'm going to select the chocolate package and I'm going to adjust some details. Very good. That's it. That's perfect. Then with Command J, I'm going to create a new layer. Perfect. Now, over this layer, I'm going to create a new one here. A new layer, and in this layer I'm going to create with my rectangle tool a rectangle. Enter. Here in the rectangle layer I'm going to right click and I'm going to convert this into a smart object. And then with Command T, I'm going to adjust it to our package. Then edit, transform, distort. Good. We need to make sure that we are covering the whole package area. That's it. Now we press enter, and here one more time right click and we are going to create a clipping mask. Perfect. Now over the icon of the mask we're going to double click and this rectangle is going to be opened. Very good. Now we are going to grab our design, but before taking it we're going to select these two layers and with right click we're going to merge them. We're going to merge those layers. Now with our move tool, we're going to place it where we want. Let's adjust a little bit the size. I guess it's too big, but with Shift and Alt, maybe we can adjust this. Okay. Now press enter, and now we're going to save this. We're going to close this and save. Let's go back to our project, and as you can see it's almost done. Now here on the layers pane in normal we're going to choose multiply and again adjust some values. In blending options, we're pressing option to adjust a little bit. I think there is not too much. And then here we're going to adjust the levels. And we're going to now adjust a little bit. Here in verse. Now it looks perfect. Enter. And as you can see, it was very simple. I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you the next time.